Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk about an extraordinary partnership that has stood the test of time, Technopanes and the Ramki Group. A collaboration that has been going strong for over 10 years and continues to shine brighter than ever. In this incredible journey, Technopanes has played a vital role in transforming Ramki Group's projects into vibrant and durable masterpieces. Here are the numbers that will leave you amazed. 9,492 flats painted to perfection, 414 villas brought to life, and 3 industrial plants enhanced with Technopane's expertise. And guess what? They've also been part of over 20 remarkable projects with the Ramki Group. What you see behind me is one of Ramki Group's impressive developments, where Technopanes has added magic to the interior and exterior walls. From luxurious finishes to weatherproof exteriors, Technopane solutions have been the backbone of the stunning structures. Let me break down the products and techniques used here. For interiors, Technopanes used wall care putty for a smooth foundation, Techno internal primer ensuring a durable base, and classic emulsion adding elegance for a perfect finish. For the exteriors, Technopanes brought in their expert sequence. First, rustic texture for an artistic resilient surface. Then, Techno exterior primer boosting elastometric properties to protect against all weather conditions. And finally, a flawless finish that ensures the walls stand strong, vibrant and protected for years. Now, let me drop another jaw-dropping number. Just for Ramki One Cosmos and Ramki One Galaxia, Technopanes has painted an incredible 8.6 million square feet of surface area. Can you imagine the sheer scale of work Technopanes has completed for the Ramki Group in these 10 years? It's nothing short of phenomenal. And it doesn't stop here. Technopanes is currently painting 4 more projects for the Ramki Group. Ramki One Odyssey, Ramki One Symphony, Ramki One GenX and Ramki One Orbit. Here is what makes Technopanes truly special. They manufacture their own paint products, ensuring top-notch quality. They supply directly to sites whether in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana or any state across India. With a continuous supply of raw materials and their team of skilled painters, Technopanes ensures every project is delivered to perfection, building trust through years. At Technopanes, the promise is clear. Your project, our responsibility till customer delighted. Because here, they don't just supply paint, they provide complete solutions. With Technopanes, you'll always experience the magic of we supply, we apply. So, for projects big or small, if you're looking for durability, quality and excellence, Technopanes, right choice and colors. Thank you for joining me for today. Here's to Technopanes and the decade-long success with the Ramki Group.